Hi, I'm David from London and Home County Safes, and today we're taking a look at another Brattonsound product. This is the Sentinel Plus MT7 Plus. If you do like my videos, please like and subscribe. It's very helpful for my algorithm and helps more people see my content. So the MT7 Plus is a 7-gun cabinet, and let's take a look at the dimensions. It's 1515 millimeters high by 407 millimeters wide, and it has a depth of 271 millimeters. It weighs in at 44 kilograms. The cabinet is operated with a single lock that comes with 2 double-bitted keys like this, and it's a double throw, so it's once and then twice. I'll just open it up, and the key operates these 5 bolts that you see down the side of the door. The bolts extended in the first turn, and that's the bolts now with the second turn of the key, the double throw that I mentioned. So inside the safe, we've got the ubiquitous foam divider, which has got 7 slots. They say it's a 6/7. I guess it depends on the bulkiness of the particular firearm. Down the bottom, they provide a sponge base, and that also covers a couple of fixing holes. In terms of fixing holes, you've got 2 at the top here, through the back of the safe, another 2 down the bottom, and I'll remove the sponge bottom now. And now you can see the 2 base fixings. On the back of the door here, we've got the Brattonsound information, which is built and tested independently tested to BS 7558. 1992 edition, and they say the only way to guarantee police acceptance. Always check with your firearms officer, make sure they're happy with what you're planning and where you're planning on fitting it before you commit to it. All the Brattonsound products are very well finished in this powder coating, very, very durable. They're very strong, and once they're bolted in, they are very, very robust. If we are lucky enough for you to place an order on our website, if you place the order, you will see at checkout you're presented with a list of accessories that you might be interested in purchasing. One is this is an automatic light that turns on when the safe door is open. It's got a little PIR motion detector, 3 LEDs, uses 3 AAA batteries, and just goes on the top of the safe with a magnet like that and illuminates. There's no batteries in that one. See, really useful if it's in a dark cupboard. And the other thing is this Safe Dry, made in Germany, dehumidifier for cabinets and safes. And it basically is a moisture absorbing pack with a humidity indicator that you open and then put inside, and it's reusable. So once it tells you that it's full, you can dry it out on the radiator and then reuse it again. Very useful for keeping rust off of your treasured firearms. So this is us, London and Home County Safes, and you'll find this particular safe on a link in the video description, and you can see what people say about us on Trustpilot. We are rated excellent, and you can have this safe installed in your home or your business. So it's free delivery and free installation. These are the areas that we cover. Essentially, it's an 80 or 90 mile radius from our base in Hatfield, Hertfordshire. When we arrive to install your safe, it will be one of our employees. It's not a subcontractor that we find on the internet like many of our competitors. He or she will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Your neighbours won't know why we are arriving at your house or what we're there to do. We could be a plumber, we could be anyone, and we'll install it, and we issue you a certificate that shows a method statement of how it was installed. And again, that's something that you can show to your firearms officer. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you on another video.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.